Nana?
Nana.
Can you say Daddy?
Dada.
Dada. Can you say Nana?
Nana.
Can you say Papi?
Daddy. Papi.
Can you say more?
Nana.
More? Can you say I love you? Yeah. Can you say pew? Where's your nose? Nose. Where's your ears? Ears. Where's your mouthies? Mouthies. So, like 3 or 4 years ago, Jackson, all of a sudden, we need a new car. We only have one car. And he's like, instead of a car, why don't you let me get a road bike? And I was like, we are not spending that much money on a bicycle. Like, that's crazy. I didn't really know anyone that cycled. So to be 100% honest with you, I kind of thought it was like dorky. I was like, oh, that, I don't know, just the helmet, the whole thing. Like, cycling just seemed kind of dorky to me. So anyway, after like probably a full year of trying to talk me into it, Jackson buys himself a road bike and starts cycling. Here, I'll let you tell the story.
We had an old truck when we first got married. It was our second car, and I was driving to work one day, and it basically just broke down and cost way too much to fix for what it was worth. So we trashed the car, and we were looking into options of getting another car, but we were both students at the time and just freshly married, so we didn't really have a lot of money. So one of my old friends, who's a big cyclist, convinced me to buy a road bike. So we ended up pulling the trigger and buying a road bike for me, and I had that for a summer. And then just last year, I wanted somebody to ride with, and convinced Rachael to get a bike, and started riding together. Ended up finding out that we both love cycling. So here we are.
Give him a drink. Yeah. Here you go, baby. There is a huge snake on the road.
Mack, what are you doing?
It's a rock.
I don't want that rock. I want the other rock.
So something my mom is big on with kids is just like sensory stuff. So making sure they feel water, and you take their shoes off and let them like run in the grass. She always just says it's really good for their development. So that's always something Jack and I try to do with Mack.
All right, we've made it up to Vivian Park. We're gonna get out, let Mack play around, have a picnic, maybe take a nap. I don't know.
Can you squeeze in?
He's off to the races. And
Keep still.
Yeah.
Grab your mama, Shane.
You know who that was? That was Mr. Green from junior high, remember? I think we should take dancing lessons. Right. That tripod is actually super slick. Very nice. Very easy setup, easy takedown. All of it was good. Yeah, these people are reckless, Rach. They're ruthless.
Bless the man that put in this fountain on this trail, because it saved our butts many a time.
Hey, let's get out of here though. These bees are smoking me. Hey, come back up here. I want to talk to you. Rach, hurry. Roni! Wow! There's a Ronies! Yeah, I just need to, it's not, I really want to train for the triathlon. I just feel like I'm really underdeveloped when it comes to running and swimming. So in my mind, I just have like some little bit of anxiety, like, oh, I'm not training very well. Like I'm not going to be able to do this when the race calls for it. What? August 10th? Hey, yeah, if you just want to get him out, I can start to take this all apart. And he's so tired. Look at him.
What is your favorite part about cycling?
I don't pay insurance on the bike.
What is the absolute worst part of cycling?
Getting bugs in your mouth when you're riding.
What is the thing you didn't expect about cycling?
Oh geez, what did I not expect? I never knew how many people cycled until I started riding a bike. Once you start riding a bike, you start to see other people riding bikes, and I had no idea that Utah was a big cycling community. So it's fun in that aspect because you can find lots of people that'll ride with you, and I've made a lot of friends riding with people, and I've met a lot of people on bike rides, just out and about on my own. And so yeah, I guess I didn't expect the community to be so cool. Well, I didn't know that there was a community to begin with, so.
Do you want Mac to cycle with you when he's big?
Yes. As soon as Mac, well, I don't know when. Yeah. As soon as we can get him on a bike, we'll get him on a bike. But I don't know how long it takes a kid to learn how to ride a bike. I don't know when they can start. We need to get him one of those Strider bikes that he can push around with his feet.
Brownie, it's time to wakey wakey. Mac. Mac. Mac, did you have a big day going on the bicycle? Did you have a great big day? Can you wakey? We need to go inside. Come on.